My name is Juan Carlos Agudelo Soto. I am from San Luis, Antioquia. I will show you Dallas caves and typical places of my town and my birthplace. My town. The municipality of San Luis is located on the Medellin-Bogota Highway, 125 kilometers from the city of Medellin. There we find different activities to do. Hiking along ecological path of the Dormilon River. Hiking do the Cerro de la Piedra del Castellón. Also you can swim in the Dormilon River and in the place called La Planta. This is largest natural pool in eastern of Antioquia. You can also practice extreme sport with torrents in La Cuba, waterfall and rafting in the Samara River, as well sport fishing. My job. I have worked on the Tuango hydroelectric plant for the last 7 years. It is a plant that already generates electricity but has also become a tourist site for the northern region of Antioquia. Since this hydroelectric is located between the town of Briceño, Toledo, and Yarumal, and its distance from the city of Medellin is 117 kilometers along the route to the coast and the bridge in Llanos de Cuiva. The main tourist attractions are the mirror or water that found the river canyon to the municipality of Santa Fe de Antioquia. Also the speedway of the dam that offer an amazing view and the different viewpoints that around the dam until you could at the town. Invited you to visit these two places and enjoy amazing landscapes. Thank you so much.